Alright, we are here in Treasure Island, Florida at John's Pass, and we have some units. Can't really get to them, but it's still something.
Two Amanis or Dakins up there, two York LX series units, a Goodman, 3 amp stands. There's a Jantrol up there. I might be able to zoom into the data sheet. Maybe not. Another Amana. It's a Grandeur right there. And a Goodman. Old Nord. Oh no, that's another old Goodman. 2 older Nordines and 2 Run Trues. I think that's another Nordine over there. Grandeur, if I had to guess, and there's an ICP. Dakin and another ICP. Century.
And here we have the Train XR.
XR14. 2016. Yep. Straight cool unit.
I am short, so I can't see the top of it.
I might be able to get it. And there's your filter dryer right there. And there's a little bit of a closer look at those 2 Run Trues and that Nordine. But there's not a lot of units on ground level because this is an area where hurricanes are not uncommon. I'd say like 95% of the units around here are mounted up somewhere, like these ones. One more shot of these units before we move on. You can see them all in a straight line, or most of them. Here's a Franklin unit by Goodman. '18, 5-ton, 16-seater. You are Run True. Here's a Ream Classic. Hack job motor. It's working really well. Great day to have the air conditioning on. It's like 90 degrees. That's it for these.
Get up to these, but I can get a good angle from here.
It's Carrier Century, a couple Allied units, and there's another one down there. A lot of Goodman units. Seems to be a pretty common brand around here. Oh yeah, and there's another Goodman up there. I didn't even notice that one. Pretty sure that's a GSX 14. Anyway, moving on to the train behind the train. I don't think I've ever seen one of those mini split train units in person. It's a shame we can't get a close-up shot of it, but and that's an XB13, of course, right there, and there's a barred wall mount unit. And there's a Nordine. Probably a Gibson. Let's see if it has a logo. Does not appear to, and the data sheet's gone, unfortunately. Would have been able to zoom on it if it was still there. This is an old ICP 5000.
ICP.
Some sort of recip, probably a Copeland. And a Trent XB13 heat, or I think these are all straight cool actually. Data sheet would be over here. We'll try to get to it. It's 2019. It doesn't look like this one's been running.
Has not been running.
Let's see what year this is. This is a, can't really stick my camera back. Oh, this is an 87.
Oh, 87.
Dang. 3.5 ton. And there's a couple more train units right here. (2011) 4-ton. And I think these both have scroll compressors, surprisingly enough, even though they're old enough to have recips. Working really well. 3 years old and that motor is already completely rusty. I think I already looked at this one, yeah. 2022. Is this one an Arco Air as well? I know way to tell. Likewise though. Basically just rebadged Carrier Century units. Anyway, moving on. Old Bard unit. And we got some Goodman units right here. Oh, this one's missing the compressor and everything. No compressor.
Really?
Let's see about this one. This one still has it. Let's see what year this is.
It's crazy how rotten these are.
2003.
03?
Yeah. And let's see. Copeland reciprocating compressor. This is probably like late 2000s, mid 2000s. Looks like that says 2004. I didn't think they had this design back then.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that even?
It's very surprising. 20-year-old unit.
Are you serious?
Doubt these units are in service anymore. Or that one definitely isn't.
Oh, that's rare. That's extremely rare.
I think that's what that said. I couldn't read it super clearly. Go back in the footage to confirm it. And there's a Marvair wall mount unit up there. A lot newer than that one. There's a Dakin mini split right here that's running. Might be able to get a year off it. 2019, 1 ton. Probably the only heat pump in this town. Goodman Ductless unit. And there's your data sheet.
Can you see the data?
I think I'm just going to go back and decode that and put it in the video. Another shot of it.
Very cool.
Oh, this one is a heat pump. This one's obviously a straight cool, like most of the other units around here. This is a Mana unit. 2021 3-ton 14 seer. There's two new Amana units. The Tran XR14 back there. Brand new 2024, June 2024. Only a month old. See about this one. October 2022. Both 2.5 tons, I believe. That one already locked its up. Yeah, it might not have had one to begin with. There's our condensation. Here's something rather interesting.
A mini split on a boat. And it sure smells like ocean.
This is a 1.5 ton.
It must be brand new because there's like no rust on it whatsoever.
Can't find the serial. Very quiet system. That'll be it.